So imagine you have a puppy dog in your hand, and this dog doesn't know how to sit yet. It's like very small one, and also a cute one, right? So how would you teach this dog on how to sit? Would you hand over a manual or a document so the dog reads and learns from it? No, you would not, right? Instead, you tell the dog to sit, and if the dog comes close to sitting, even if it doesn't fully sit, you reward the dog because you wanted to appreciate the behavior. And if it doesn't, then you don't reward it. So over a period of time, over multiple iterations, the dog learns how to sit. You reward every single time it comes close to sitting, and you don't reward it every time it does it wrong. So then the dog learns how to sit. And this entire approach of rewarding the good behavior and not rewarding the not so obvious behaviors is called reinforcement learning. And this is widely used in every AI tools that you are using today. And if you think this approach of rewarding someone based on outcomes and their behavior is modern, no, you're not. This approach or this idea of reinforcement learning was invented back in 1957, and it was sitting in a pile of research papers until 2013. A small group of researchers and scientists working in a startup called DeepMind approached and started developing an AI tool which played Atari, then a board game, and started learning over a period of time without any kind of rules. And even in our example where we taught the dog on how to sit, we did not set the rules, right? We simply tell sit, and if the dog comes too close to sitting, then you reward it. If not, don't, right? So you're not teaching the dog on how to fold the legs, how to sit, and how to get their posture right. No, you're not. You're only rewarding the behavior. And that's exactly what this paper also did. They developed a tool which initially failed, but over a period of iterations, it learned how to play, even without a single line of code telling how to play the game. And within hours, it started beating everyone else in that game, and even better than many humans who played the game best. And soon enough, Google saw this behavior and outcomes and acquired DeepMind, and then reinforcement learning became the backbone of a lot of AI tools that you use today and I use today. And even tools like ChatGPT and Claude are built based on reinforcement learning. They use some version of reinforcement learning called reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. And in this specific cases, you would have seen AI generating two different responses for the same prompt, and you choose which one is better. And that's exactly what is called this RLHF. So pretty much the humans sit and then rate the responses that AI generates. And even YouTube uses this in their algorithm. If you are seeing this video as a part of your algorithm, then definitely the reinforcement learning voted my video as better than someone else's. That's another use case. And if you look at other industries like car manufacturing, Tesla uses a lot of reinforcement learning to get their self-driving cars on the road, and also Boston Dynamics to teach their robots on how to behave and get some tasks done. So all that you have to know is, if you're trying to build something on AI today, don't think about rules and try to get all these processes in place. Instead, try to look at what is the right output that you wanted and try to reward that output or the AI which generates that output. And that would get you a lot of stuff done without spending a lot of time on processes and innovation there. I'll see you in the next one with another concept in AI so that you can start building in AI. And if you want to learn more about all these AI concepts, we have our course in the description link down with a coupon enabled so that you don't have to pay so much like others, and it's on Udemy. So you will also get your certification. So go check it out, and it's only for you, not for everybody else. See you next time.